Hi guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show a very good dash camera for cars and trucks, and its camera Viofo. We begin this video for unpacking. I got camera in this just cartoon box. It's camera with Sony Starwise 2 sensor, multiplane exposure HDR, with Wi-Fi and voice control. Okay. SD card. Also here polarizing lens filter. And also wireless Bluetooth remote control. And also we got hardware kit. This is everything what we got. Okay. Opening this box with camera. How look camera here inside? Oh guys. Really, this camera looks really small. And also this camera have GPS model. Plastic look very quality, and this camera looks very quality. This camera have Type-C. You can charging this camera from any your Type-C cable. You can use hardware kit or just using Type-C cable. Look guys, this camera looks very small. It's nice. It's really, for me, it's good. Dash camera must be small because you don't have a lot of space for big camera. And also what we can find in this box with camera. In this box with camera we can also find instruction, manual, contacts for support, cable for charging, and here we got a USB cable and cable for charging. And this thing. Okay, everything look very quality. Sony Starwise 2 sensor improve low light recording video. And what does this mean? In night this camera will recording video better than before. This camera cost 123 euro. You can find link below. And also this camera have voice control. This camera also you can control with smartphone app Viofo. When this camera got Sony Starwise 2 sensor, with this camera begin recording video with very good quality. you can see, like here, we driving and you can see everything very well. And few words about light low recording. This camera begin recording very good quality also in night. You can this camera can show license plate other cars in night. It's very good news. Okay guys, go to install this camera in my car. And this camera ready for using. And here settings. Okay guys, we install our camera here. And now connecting cable for charging. Okay guys, we install our Viofo camera here and we'll check how it will work. And also now I want to check how recording this camera voice. I now must to turn left and this white car before me. We're driving in this very sunny and beautiful day. Okay, I think its voice will good. Guys, today very sunny day and I want to check also Polarizing lights filter. Okay guys, we now will try, I think, install like here.
Protected.
Okay guys, we install this filter here and come back